Rural India is stepping up and accepting the challenge posed by the pandemic, and Ministry of Panchayati Raj is gearing up to address vulnerabilities of rural India in combating COVID-19 pandemic. Central government realizes the need to address the vulnerabilities of the rural communities. Like last year, panchayats or rural local bodies are being facilitated towards providing leadership in meeting the challenge. An advisory has been issued for the guidance of panchayats. It includes the actions that are needed for combating COVID-19 pandemic. It suggests an intensive communication campaign for the prevention of COVID-19, which should include preventive and mitigative measures. Ministry of Health has also advised this for the awareness of rural communities. The advisory also says to draw the frontline volunteers, teachers, ASHA workers for the campaign. Necessary facilities will be provided on the panchayat level. It will include equipments like oximeters, N95 masks, thermal screening instruments and sanitizers. Now, real-time information of bed, doctors and testing or vaccination centers will be displayed. This will lead to effective utilization of the infrastructure. IT infrastructure in the panchayat offices, schools and common service centers can also be used for tracking and information display. Along with these, panchayats have been asked to provide the institutional village support catering to their respective. Panchayats will improvise households as home quarantine locations where maximum of the asymptomatic COVID positive cases can be managed. Along with this, they may set up a specific isolation centers for the needy and returning migrant laborers. It has been advised that in every village, time-to-time surveillance should be done by ASHA workers and the guidance of Village Health Sanitization and Nutrition Committee VHSNC. After that, symptomatic patients will be screened at the village level by teleconsultation with the community health officers, and cases with comorbidity or low oxygen saturation should be sent to higher centers. Asymptomatic patients who have a history of high risk exposure to COVID patients will be asked to quarantine as per ICMR protocol. With the recommendation of the Panchayati Raj Ministry, the Ministry of Finance has released an amount of 8,923.8 crore to 25 states for providing grants to the rural bodies. The first installation of the fund will be utilized for prevention measures needed to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Central and state government welfare schemes may be leveraged towards provision of nation's drinking water supply, sanitization, Manrega's employment. Panchayats have been asked to directly get involved in the dispensation of such relief. A proper interlinkage will be maintained for district and sub-district. It will be mainly used for dealing with emergency requirements like ambulance, advanced testing and treatment facilities, multi-speciality care. This will solve all the issues in real time. Many states are already taking measures. For tribal areas, strengthening community-based management through Gram Sabha should be taken. This should be involved at every stage of planning and executing the COVID care activities. Mobile medical units will be used to facilitate access to public health care in tribal areas. MMUs have a team of medical officers, pharmacists, staff nurse and lab technicians. All these measures, including the teleconsultation facilities, will definitely push the gear of India's COVID recovery. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.